Okay, so our lesson for today is multiplying decimals. And our given is 0.85 times 13. Kung nalilito pa rin sa pag-multiply ng 2 digits, this way, you can do this instead. So, 13, pwede mo siyang i-break down into 10 plus 3. So, 10 plus 3 equals 13. So, ang gagawin mo, you will multiply each number times 10 plus 0.85 times this number, which is 3. Then after that, so if you remember the left, so we have multiplication, so going to the right, and we have only 1 0 sa 10 since it's times 10. So from here, move it here. Now the decimal point sa final answer is between 8 and 5, so it's gonna be 8.5. Now dito naman, it's easier because 1 digit na lang. So, mas madali na lang. So, 5 times 3, 15. 8 times 3, 24. Plus 1, 25. 0 times 3 is 0. Plus 2, it's 2. Again, ilan ang decimal places nito? 2 decimal places. And yung 3 ay walang decimal place, so 0. And 2 plus 0 is 2. So 2 decimal places. Kaya, instead na 255 from here, ang decimal point, 1, 2. Now, you have 8.5 plus 2.55, and again you will have to add, so you will write it as 8.5 plus, ngayon i-align mo na ang decimal point, 2.55. So kapag plus, you don't have to add 0, i-bring down mo lang. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 1, 11. And align ang decimal point. So, decimal point here. So, dapat ang decimal point ay nandito. Now, your final answer sa 0.85 times 13 is 11.05. Ulitin natin. So, for example, we have 0.97 times 28. Okay. So, yung 28, pwede mo siyang i-break down into, pwedeng 20 plus 8, kung marunong na ng 2 decimal places, 2 digits, or 10 plus 10 plus 8. So, you will have to rewrite this as is. We can use the 10 plus 10 plus 8 muna para sa mga nalilito pa. 0.97 times 10. Again, just use the shortcut, Mr. the left. So, going to the right, ang 10 is 1 decimal place only. So, you copy. And then, dito yung decimal place niya nung una. Mang-move ka ng 1 decimal place to the right. So, 9.7. Okay, so we have now 9.7. And sabi daw dalawang 10. So just do plus 0.97 times 10. So that's 09.7 plus ito namang 8. Diba kanina we're done with 10, 10, ito na 10 at 10. Now we're left with 8. So 0.97 times 8 equals, so 1 digit at a time, so 7 times 8, that's 56. Okay, 7 times 8. Now 9 times 8, again 9 times 8, 72, plus 5 is 77. 8 times 0 is 0 plus 7, 77.6. Again, ilan ang decimal places nito? 2 decimal places at walang decimal place, so 0 decimal places. So sa final answer, there should be 2 decimal places. So from here to decimal 1, 2. Now the final answer is 7.76 for 0.97 times 8. But this is not the final answer for the problem na 0.97 times 28. Ano ulit ang gagawin natin sa tatlo? So we have 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 10 plus 8 equals 28. So, i-add natin. Step 2. So, 9.7 galing dito plus 09.7 galing dito plus 7.76 galing dito. Do you see the 3 parts? That's 10 plus 10 plus 8 equals 28. So, you add it all up. Again, kapag addition, you don't have to write 0. So, just bring down 6. Now, we have 7, 14, 21. Okay, so 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. So, 1 dito sa baba, and ang 2 is carry. So, 9 plus 9, 18. Plus 2, 20. Plus 7 is 27. So, 2 plus 0, 0 is 2. Huwag kakalimutan ang decimal point. So, yung lesson natin na addition of decimals, i-align nyo lang. So, ganyan lang din po. Naka-align na. Now, you have your final answer. So, that means 0.97 times 28 is 27.16. Yung decimal, so 2 decimal places, 0 decimal places. So, ang total sa sagot ay 2 decimal places. So, from here, 1, 2. Are you able to get it now? At least, in case nalilito pa, you repeat watching the video. So, watch the video again until you get it. You can pause the video and study, and good luck.